if your hatch does this, then your hatch needs new shocks. Most hatch shocks come basically in a uniball fitting. If you're unfamiliar with that, the joint will go right over the ball, allowing it to rotate. Depending on the shock that you get, you might need to switch out the ball, whether it fits or not. In our case, we do have to switch it out. So let's get started. Your shock will likely look like this. This pressure clip will need to be released. In order to release that, stick a flathead screwdriver in here, pull up and towards you. Once it's released, it'll look basically like this. So now all you gotta do is put the shock over the ball, then release the pressure clip over it. Now that you've installed your shocks, this should be the effect. Thanks for watching.